I'm coming. If you hand over to government to maintain, they budget the money and share it.
To live in that particular place that the house is. So it's supposed government will even compensate them so that and pay them and relocate them to where they are going and build another house for them.
Careful engineering and management to meet human needs. Hello, you're welcome to another episode of Property Doctor. Today, I'll be showing you how to make the PD glass cleaner. You know, the PD glass cleaner can be used to clean your mirrors, your glass, your windows, your glass tabletops, and everything that has to do with glass. And maybe it has stains that are very tough or stains that cannot be removed. This glass cleaner can remove all the stains for you. So let me show you how to do this after the break. Welcome back from the short break. So we need a bucket, a small bucket for measuring. We need distilled water. We need vinegar. And we need clean water, portable drinking water, and PD soap. We need citrus oil, just a drop. And we need a measuring cup. So with my protective gear on, as usual, I'll make it very fast. You take 1 cup of distilled water, and 1/4 cup of vinegar. It's actually very simple, just 1/4 cup. You add it together. And 75 cl of portable drinking water. So just a drop of soap, any washing liquid can do, but here we're using PD soap, of course. Just a drop. And the citrus oil. It's an essential oil. 1 drop. So you mix it very well. If you like, you can add color to it. If you don't like, you can leave it just like that. So you can see. So this is your glass cleaner. It doesn't contain any alcohol. You know, we have alcohol-based glass cleaner, but this one doesn't contain alcohol. You can do this yourself at home, and it's very, very easy. And you can use it to clean your mirrors, your windows, your glass doors, your tabletops. This can do the job very well. Can remove stains from the mirror. You can see clearly. So, thank you for being with us in another episode of Property Doctor. I hope you have learned something from today's episode on how to produce non-alcoholic glass cleaner. You can give us a feedback on our comment section below, and we hope to see you same time next week on another exciting episode of Property Doctor. You can join us on Facebook and on Instagram at Property Doctor NG and on Twitter at Property Doc NG. Till then, bye and enjoy your day.
coming. If you hand over to government to maintain, they budget the money and share it.
To live in that particular place that the house is. So it's supposed government will even compensate them so that and pay them and relocate them to where they are going and build another house for them.
Careful engineering and management to meet human needs.